gwetha anja ya uria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza irabanga gukiria utonga wa bururi. Ihinda-ini riu nao atongoria amwe a thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni moretie honge cio thuthuria iteithiririe kuburaniria a Kenya mbeca iria ciorire moko-ini ma andu amwe muthia-ini wa utungata wa thirikari ya uria wari President Uhuru Kenyatta. Gathoni Wanjahia na riboti ino makiria.
Riri dereti ya uria murekereria wa budget Margaret Nyakango ahitukirie ciringi bilioni 15 thiku nini mbere na thutha wa githurano yakiriirie atongoria kuma kiama kia UDA marenda honge cia uthuthuria cienjere makiria muigana wa hathara iria Kenya matwaritwo ni matua ta maya. No dereti ino ndienyenyetie mwaho wa Azimio uria mutongoria wa Raila Odinga arorotwo ta umwe wa aria magunikire na mbeca iria ciarikagiririo mugaru wa watho.
We also demand an audit of all the capital projects undertaken by the rogue handshake regime in view of ascertaining whether public funds were expended on private business.
We do not pay cabinet secretaries or principal secretaries to tell us how bad things are. Kenyans know that already. We do not pay government to tell us where and how things went wrong and who is responsible.
Na riri atongoria Azimio mathiete na mbere na kuorota thirikari ya President William Ruto ni undu wa kiria marauga ni kwaga kuhingia ciiraniro. Atongoria a UDA maugite ucio no mubango wa kugeria kweheria meciria ma Kenya haria bururi watereire ikinya.
Kwa hivyo ni lazima mtueleze hizi pesa ziko wapi, zirudi zisaidie Wakenya wanaokufa na njaa, zisaidie katika miundo misingi na kutengeza na kusongesha hii nchi mbele.
Let them do the investigations because even Kenyans want to know. But we cannot have a government of lamentations. They don't have any plan. Every time they come, they tell us about the previous regime.
Atongoria a Azimio meranĩire gũtacukia makinya maria mothe mangĩhota itemi-inĩ rĩao rĩa gũtetera Kenya aria marathie na mbere na kuhatiririka.
If we as the representatives of the people have been unable to extract a plan from these people, from the so-called government of Kenya Kwanza, we will take our people to Professor Ndung'u's office so that he can explain to Kenyans what the plan is in terms of economic recovery.
Kenyans are not giving into the continuous theatrics that are meant to distract them from knowing the truth about all-time loot that has messed this country.
Mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga aheanite ihinda ria ciumia igiri akienda thirikari ihuthiria Kenya thogora wa muturire kwaga uguo atongoria arumiriri yake gutabania mirurungano. Ngiribotera Inooro TV Njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjahia.
Mimi naitwa Mama Harriet.